Yeah, a lot of them are better than I thought.
Wow. I'm just going to move in a bit closer.
Yeah, no problem.
So you said something about the book. What were you telling me about the book?
Oh yeah, I read the book, and like I chose the sections that were like something that I struggled with in my daily life, and I read those bits, and it actually helped me like motivate me because it helped me understand, and I was able to focus throughout those issues that I face daily. So I pushed myself to do better in those bits and have time out to have some revision to like push to my best, and I did it.
9 for everything. You're too small.
What's going on?
I just got 3 9s and an A star for Arabic.
You're shaking. Why are you shaking?
Because I was so scared. I felt like I did terribly when I was doing it because straight after I felt like I didn't do well at all. Thank you.
Well done. So, how do they compare to the goals you set with Exam Magic?
I said I was going to get a 9 for everything and I got a 9 for everything. A 9 and an A star, so I'm really proud of myself.
Do you think Exam Magic helped you? If so, how?
I think so, yeah. I think it's more to do with the stress and relieving the stress because come exam period you're going to be overwhelmed and you're really going to need it.
There was some that I really surprised myself in and actually exceeded my expectations, actually. Achieved my
Do you think Exam Magic helped you? And if so, how?
Yeah, I think it really did because it was good to have a resource where I could just dip into whenever I was feeling a bit anxious or wasn't too sure on my future. I just would read the book and listen to the audio patch on YouTube, just to calm myself down and reassure myself sometimes when the going got tough.
And like a year ago, I thought I'd be sitting here crying, failing, but now I'm here with 8s and 7s, and yeah.
So, do you think Exam Magic helped you?
Yeah, no, 100%. Exam Magic it helped manage the stress, the difficulty of how to deal with it, and just the booklet, just going through it, just seeing all the different ways you can approach the things you're going through. It helped a lot.
Thank you, miss. Thank you, everyone.
Very, very happy right now. Okay, you've literally just got your results.
Yeah.
How do they compare to the ones you set as goals?
It's actually really close.
You're surprised, huh?
Yeah.
Can I ask you, do you think Exam Magic helped you, and if so, how?
Yeah, it really motivated me, and when I saw the results I wrote down the first time, I actually believed that could be on my paper. So yeah, it really helped me.
And are you looking at them now?
Yeah.
Wow. What's your big learning from this experience?
That if you believe that you can do it, then you just need to believe, and then you will do it, literally. Just need to believe, honestly.
Congratulations, well done.
I know!
Believe in yourself, just push yourself, set your expectations high, and just see how close you can get to your dreams. Yeah.
Always believe in yourself. No matter what it is, you can like get through any issue. No matter what the struggle is, just find a way to manage your time, to have some time and understanding. Probably get talkings with your parents so that you and them can like talk out issues that you struggle with, and they'll help you, push you, and motivate you too. And read the book. The book is very, very useful.